When my little sister was 5, she routinely asked me, "What color is this?" to the point where she understood that I didn't see it the same way that she did. After a while, the question stopped, and I figured that was the end of it. Until I was taking her to school one day, and she shouted, "Bubba, you ran a red light!" Then she started laughing hysterically. She's still my little jerk. I'm going to be explaining how the human eye receives color, the cause of color blindness, and if color blindness can cause any medical problems. To begin, I'm going to describe how the human eye is able to receive color. Your retina has two different types of cells that detect and respond to light. That's your rods and cones. These cells are sensitive to light and are called photoreceptors. Rods are activated when you are in low or dim light, and cones are stimulated in brighter environments. Most of us have about 6 million cones and 110 million rods. It says this in the American Academy of Ophthalmology. On the same website, it explains when you look at a banana, the wavelengths of reflected light determine what color you see. The light waves reflect off the banana peel and hit the light sensors at your retina in the back of the eye. That's where your cones come in. Life science goes deeper into detail. It states that color originates in light. Sunlight, as we perceive it, is colorless. In reality, a rainbow is a testimony to the fact that all of the colors are in the spectrum are presented in white light. Say the sun shines its invisible rays onto a red apple. The apple receives all the color and reflects the light into the eye. The eye then sends it to the brain. A lot of our indoor and outdoor lights have tints or different colors to them. They affect the way you perceive the color. That's why multiple states have certain rules on your headlights. They can either be yellow or white, but other colors can destroy your sight of vision. Now that we understand how the eye receives color, we can discuss what causes you to become colorblind. Colorblindness is usually a genetic condition. There are estimated to be over 250 million colorblind people worldwide. The effects of color vision deficiency can be mild, moderate, or severe depending upon the defect. If you have inherited color blindness, your condition will stay the same throughout your life. There are 3 types of cone cells, and each type has a different sensitivity to wavelengths. One type of cone perceives blue light, another perceives green, and the third perceives red. However, color blindness is not always inherited. Other causes of color blindness can also be caused from a variety of vision problems, including macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy, glaucoma, and cataract injury to the eye, or aging. Color blindness is not the same as color deficiency. Almost 99% of people are color deficient, not colorblind. Now that we have discussed the causes of color blindness, let's rod and cone over to health problems. Seeing colors is subjective. It's impossible to know whether you see red, green, or other colors the same as other people with perfect vision. However, your eye doctor can test you for the condition during a normal eye exam. Testing includes the use of special images. Testing will include the use of special images called pseudochromatic plates. These images are made of colored dots that have numbers or symbols embedded within them. Only people with normal vision can see the numbers and symbols. In conclusion, this is how the human eye receives color, what causes color blindness, and if color blindness can cause any other medical problems. Now that you have a bit more information on color blindness, stop asking color people, "What color is this?"